Hi, and welcome to Semcadia. Today's activity is called Racing Spools. When we think about energy, we usually think of movement and action, but energy can be stored in objects that aren't moving as well. For this activity, you're going to need tape, rubber bands, some washers, a toothpick, a pencil, and last but not least, a spool. First, we're going to take the spool then put a rubber band through it. Put a toothpick through one side of the hoop to keep it in place. Now break off the ends of the toothpick so they're not sticking out over the sides of the spool. Now put tape over it to keep it in place. Next, pull out the rubber band on the other side and place a washer over it to stay against the spool. This will make things smoother. The third step is to put a pencil under the rubber band hoop and wind the pencil around a couple of times. Now let's place it on a long table or floor, let go, and watch it zoom away. Or not. Now let's see what would happen if we put a second washer on. Okay, now that's better. Now let's see what would happen if we looped around the pencil a second time.